sino sa mga Valentine girls ni Richard Gutierrez ang talagang compatible sa kanya? So we're going to ask Richard. Richard, I'm going to ask you 4 questions.
Okay.
And then all of these questions related sa Valentine's. Okay, kung ano yung ideal date mo, what you'd rather accept for Valentine's, what you'd rather give for Valentine's, and then we'll ask also your 4 Valentine girls the same question at titignan natin kung sino sa kanila yung pinakamaraming like answers with you.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright, baka si Extreme Eugene, you never know. So eto po, first question. For Richard, alin dito ang ideal Valentine date mo? Is it A, dinner sa mamahaling restaurant, B, swimming sa beach, C, trip out of the country, or D, manood ng sine? A, B, C, or D? Simon, alam ko na. C, Simon, trip out of the country.
Ako, ang sagot ko.
Pero si
Ano sa
Chard?
tingin nyo?
B, swimming sa beach.
You
Now.
know, yeah, you know why?
Oh.
Because okay sana yung dinner in a restaurant, pero it would be perfect if it's dinner if there's a restaurant by the beach, diba? So for me kasi I can't naman go out of the country now because ang daming schedule.
you're
So
working.
that's impossible,
Oo.
diba? So ako I love going out of town, quiet places. I love the environment. So spending time in the beach and the ocean would be really perfect for me during Valentine's, especially with the one you love, diba? Or the one you're with.
So, let's find out kung sino sa mga Valentine girls ni Richard ang may parehong ideal Valentine date din. Let's find out ang sagot ng Valentine girls right now. Okay. B, tatlo ang nag-B at isa ang nag-C. Okay, sino yung nag-C? I'm sorry, I can't really see very well. Si Rian lang ang hindi parehong sagot kay Richard. Next question. Alin dito ang gift mo sa iyong Valentine date? This time around, alamin muna natin ang sagot ng mga Valentine girls. Is it A, flowers and chocolates? B, jewelry pieces? C, signature bags? Or D, flat screen television? Ang sagot ng Valentine girls, let's find out. Can I have the Valentine girls on the big screen para makita namin dalawa ni Richard kung ano mga sagot nila? Dalawang nag-A. Okay. Ayun. Eh wala na, binaba na nila yung mga sagot nila. Chard, your answer, alin dito ang gift mo or ang ideal gift mo sa iyong Valentine date? Would it be A, flowers and chocolates, B, jewelry pieces, C, signature bags, or D, hindi naman ito, flat screen
Flat
TV?
Ako ang sagot ko, letter A.
Letter A, flowers and
Kasi
chocolates.
Sobra naman kung sobrang material stuff ang ibibigay mo.
Masyado
diba?
naman yung
Dapat
flat
sweet,
screen
romantic,
TV.
and simple lang.
Oo nga. Oh, I'm leaving it to our staff to chart the correct answers. At mamaya malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang may pinakamaraming like answers with Richard. Third question. Alin dito ang gusto mong matanggap from your Valentine date? Is it A, an expensive gadget? B, branded clothes? C, a kiss and a hug? Or D, an expensive watch? Ang sagot ng Valentine girls, let's see. Dalawang nag-A, expensive gadget. Nag-C, a kiss and a hug si Solen. At si Lavi, expensive watch. Chard, your answer please.
For me, syempre, you spend the whole day together, diba? You enjoy the day, romantic day. I think it would be perfect to end it with a kiss and a hug. So,
Ooh, letter C rin si Chard. Okay, si Solen lang ang parang tumumpak doon ah. Last question. Kung manonood kayo ng sine ng Valentine date mo, anong klaseng pelikula ito? Would it be A romantic comedy, B, a horror flick. C, science fiction. Ang romantic naman ng science fiction on Valentine's. Lalo naman yung D, suspense thriller. Valentine girls, let's see it. Uy, dalawang nag-A, tatlong nag-A, including Solen at si Miss Eugene. Matindi ka talaga, Mare. Extreme ka talaga. Horror ang type mong panoorin sa Valentine's Day. And si Chard, what movie would you watch on Valentine's?
Of course, to set the mood right, the tone of the day, kailangan romantic comedy.
A din si
Diba?
Chard.
Perfect yan. At saka romantic comedy nga pala yung Valentine Girls. Sa Megway na, no?
Hindi ba horror?
Hindi.
Okay, at the end of 4 questions, nakadalawang like answers si Eugene kay Chard, si Rian, 2 answers, si Lovey, 2 answers, but the most like Richard's answers is Solen. With 3 points. Ano masasabi mo doon, Chard?
Cool.
Kailangan pa bang i-explain yun?
Hindi na, no more explanation needed.
I guess that's why you guys are very close.
Yes. At
You like
dahil-
each other's company.
Exactly. And she also loves going to the beach and she loves romantic comedies. Kaya nga po, dahil sa sobrang close namin ni Solen, meron kaming magazine, Cosmopolitan cover. Feb issue po yan. So,
Where you were standing very close to each other.
yes. So, grab a copy of that.
Nice.
And mga kapuso, Valentine Girls po, sa Feb 9 na po yan. It's going to be an exciting, fun movie na paglabas niyo po ng sinehan talagang you'll feel good at nakangiti kayo. So, abangan po ninyo, Feb 9 na po ang Valentine Girls. Kasama ko po dyan si Miss Rian, Lovey, Solen, and Extreme, Eugene. Yes, and gusto ko rin pasalamatan syempre ang aking sponsors, Flawless, Mr. B. Cayuto, thank you so much. And of course, grab Bench Watch, Guts Bench Watch. Ayan po, you can get that in the bench right now. So, thank
you so much, Chard.
Thank you, Showbiz Central.
We wish you well
Thank you, Pia.
on the Valentine movie. I'm sure it's going to be another hit for you. Samantala, mamaya po makakasama natin in full si Extreme Eugene Domingo sa Don't Lie to Me with Sweet. Pero next week, don't forget, the Valentine Girls live po dito sa Showbiz Central. At eto po, kare-receive lang po namin ang report na ito, nitong balitang ito, na kanina daw po ay may na-aksidenteng sex bomb sa Party Pilipinas rehearsals. Tutukan niyo po ang Showbiz Central for more details on that. We'll be right back.
Matapos ni Richard, si Uge naman ang dadaan sa matinding tanungan dahil siya ang unang sasalang sa Don't Lie to Me, ang pagbabalik, live na live. Tutukan din ang paghahanda ni Jackie Vice sa kanyang malalim na pagganap sa Sisid. At Daniel Matsunaga, ipinaalam pa sa tatay ni Hart ang kanyang kontrobersyal na kissing viral video.
Yes, pinaalam niya naman at pinatawag niya yung daddy ko sa para i-explain kasi baka mabulabog. Okay naman.